Kaluoy na to. Ay, ibang shop na nila to. Welcome to the humble abode in Florida. We have an oven, a dining table, so far from what we had in New York. Smells like a resort. Let's go check out the rooms. Look at the rooms. Oh no, you have to. Oh my god, I called dibs.
The game is going there! The game is going there!
Single beds, that's nice. Ooh, this must be the parents' room. Good morning, everyone.
Breakfast with dry.
Breakfast. Pancake lang eh. Finally.
Pancake
lang? Ito lang din. Coffee. How was the workout?
Okay, it's not so tiring.
Yeah.
Just a little warm up for our body. I ran for 4 miles.
Yeah.
And then I did some arm workouts and some squats. Oh my god, sunlight! No pressure aging.
Oh my god. You can't see me. For 30 minutes, I did the cycling thing. The one where you punch. It's like you're punching, but you're holding something. So after that, cyclone. There me. It's called Regal Oaks. This is where we're living in Florida for the moment.
For the moment.
It's your sister.
Yes!
Hi, Ate Kay. What are you watching? Friends?
It's Disneyworld time.
We're going to Disney World.
He needs some milk. 1, 2, 3, funk it.
Oh my god, you can already hear them yell.
Soon after.
Hindi na ko, mauna to.
Ang lalingaw! So tired. Good morning, guys. Oh my god. The car is driving right now. We just came back from F45. It's a different experience from the New York one.
Turn right on Holiday Trail.
And Ate car is driving.
Turn right? Yeah, so, do you know?
Straight to Zay.
No.
Look how sweaty I am.
I'm sweaty on the inside.
I didn't get to vlog, but I'll insert some boomerangs and videos from my
I have a
story.
Wait, yasa gitu.
Straight to Zay. Unahan pa ka mag-ride. Unahan pa dyan ka ayo.
Ay. Kaya naman ako
In 300 meters.
Ay, balik ko ako dyan.
Turn right on Holiday Trail.
Ay, salamat. Kailan ako ng lugar.
In 700 meters. Turn left on Golden Hawkway.
Suko na si Lawrence.
Ay, kanta din. Sa pati.
Mara ba nagbuhol?
We're gonna Bohol, no? Oh my god, you're right. This does feel like Bohol.
That's where we live. We go. Oh.
Lang, sige, take code. 3691. 6014. Mayroon ko yung hapis ko na may kwarta.
Buod Zay. Pero $5 naman tingaling na anak ko Zay.
Kansi mo ko yung usan rin.
Wala siya.
Lagi free delay.
Wala siya na sad.
Way free delay.
Wala siya na nagmaoy at
This is not the land of the free.
It is. Still.
Wala siya nagmaoy.
F45.
Wala siya nagmahal. Kawasan rin niya. Taba niya.
You factious.
Smiling na please siya ba?
Yan, wala tayo pambayad.
Hi! $25.
We are home. Hi, Mommy.
Keep in touch on your hometown country station.
Road trip.
Road trip.
Ranch in Lakeland on Saturday evening, November 16th. This festive annual event
Finished
presented by
it?
Southern Homes is a fun.
Here we are in Auntie Titang's house. I just downed one whole pizza and a large iced coffee.
Baboy man, baboy.
Let's see what I look
Baboy,
like when we get back to the Philippines. Probably fat.
Pater.
But we're gonna go to Miami. Look around. Look at my parents. That's gold right there.
So this we have Monster Rolls, 70% cocoa, dark cocoa beans. This one's Tokyo. It's coffee and cream combination. This one's dark mint.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Show off.
It's lagging his tail. I think it's holding us off.
Cute ang natin car break si Maya. I mean, Chay.
Yeah.
Right? This is Auntie Titang's backyard. A whole ass lake with ducks. That's mommy. Waddle, waddle, waddle. They came to follow us because they're suspicious. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's going near. Oh my god. Cookie. Okay, watch out for cars. What are they doing? I think they were spying on us and then they got caught. You didn't see us. Vlog. Limot yung trip vlog dyan. It's a Sunday today in Florida, Orlando. Yeah, padong may mag-church. Silang church. Church. Church pa rin mga ulol.
Yeah.
Church pa rin mga ulol.
No, sa akin nun.
Yeah, tugnaw kayo ang hangin.
Weekend is New York.
Let's see how different their mass is.
It's actually the same.
Oh. Anyways, see you later. So, we're going to
Kennedy Space Center.
We just said bye to Auntie Titang. And I miss her already. It's gonna be like an hour-long ride to the Kennedy Space Center. So this is why he is into podcast about real estate. He's a real estate big.
Are on. There it goes. Liftoff, Falcon 9, Starlink. Get ready for the sound. Don't be alarmed. It's okay. Sound will get here soon. Oh, no. Here we go. Now, don't worry. It's not going to hurt you. That's the upper stage engine. It's one single Merlin engine.
This fairing is being flown for a second time, which is the first in SpaceX history.
That was clean. That was really clean.
Kennedy Space Center and the rocket launch. Look what we have, NASA merchandise. Tourists.
No, it's
and pictures.
Real. We're funding the NASA initiative with by buying merch.
My wallet is in great danger.
It's already been in danger. But I finally tried a pink drink. It's not as good as I've imagined it to be.
I also bought a mini plane.
She bought a plane.
Chateau.
I got a shirt, sticker, and a lanyard.
About the Atlantis shuttle.
Looking for a Dodge minivan. Where is our Dodge minivan? Ay, sa Banzai. How was it, mommy?
So thought-provoking, heartwarming. There was a moment I felt emotional. Right where the launch was. I only used to see these scenes when I was a kid, only in the movies. Never imagined I can bring myself here together with my family. Thank you, Lord.
Time to go into our minivan. It's also our last day here. We smell like pee in here.
My bad.
Time for 1 hour.
Going back. But first, a gas station.
Hey y'all, it's our last day in Florida. Just accompanying mommy swim.
That was a good swim. Yeah.
She got a new book from the NASA shit. It's Kennedy Space Center.
Gosh.
NASA.
I got this
Occupy
shirt.
Mars. Mga groceries sa mga dzay.
Yeah.
Before we leave for tomorrow morning to Chicago.
Oh my God,
It's gonna be cold again. Gonna miss this semi
t-shirt weather.
kind of like just sweatshirt
remember
weather.
t-shirt with what? Cute. I never thought of seeing them.
I'm gonna miss Florida.
Florida weather.
Miss Brian.
Miss Hi Brian. We are leaving this country. Drop it low. Pick it up for the fellas. Let's go.